The equation of a line using 2 points can be determined using the 2-point form in this manner. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to the ratio of y sub 2 and y sub 1 minus y sub 1 rather over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 to be multiplied with x minus x sub 1. Now it's up to you which point is written first as long as you determine the correct coordinates. This entire expression, if you have problems later on in using this form, is actually just equal to your slope m. So my suggestion is solve for the slope first before you use the entire form. So from here, let's consider a as our point 1 and b our point 2. Our y sub 2 is 0 minus y sub 1, which is 5, over x sub 2 of 4 minus 2. We'll have here our slope, which is negative 5 halves. This is the value of the slope, which will be substituted here. And since we used earlier a as our point 1, let's also use the same coordinates. So y minus your y sub 1, which is 5, is equal to your slope of negative 5 halves times the quantity x minus your x sub 1, which is 2. From here, you have a fraction. So for some of us who have problems with that, I suggest you multiply a certain number which is the same as your denominator so that this would be cancelled out. From here, you just simply distribute this negative 5 to the entries of your binomial expression. But please do not forget to do the same thing on this side as you also multiply this by 2. In short, you will have 2y minus 10 is equal to, again, using distributive property, you have negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 2 is plus 10. Then let's remove all of this and place it on one side. Our goal is to come up with a general form. So we have 5x here plus 2y. You'll have minus 10. And this will also be minus 10 equal to 0. In short, the general form of the equation of a line passing through points given points A and B here is 5x plus 2y minus 20 equal to 0. Now, if you're not sure about this, you can always verify whether our form is correct or not by substituting any of the 2 points there. Let's start with A as we substitute x being 2. So you have 5 times 2 plus 2 times 5, which is the y value of that point A, minus 20. We have here is 0, question mark, because we are verifying. We have here 10 plus 10 minus 20, still verification here, 0. And we know that this is 0 equal to 0. When you reach a point like this would mean that your general form is correct. You can also verify this general form using the second point B, but it should also satisfy that point. So again, this is by using 2-point form starting with the slope to get your general form of the equation of the line.